In this video, I'll show you how to change lock screen clock size and font style on iPhone with iOS 26. So if you want to make your lock screen clock size smaller or bigger, or even you want to customize this, then here is how you can do it. But before that, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. What's now to customize the lock screen clock? First thing first, you just need to come to the lock screen of your iPhone, and from the lock screen you just need to press and hold any empty area that you want, and this will bring up this page and tap on customize here. And the customization, you can actually drag the clock size the way you want. You can make it smaller or you can even make it bigger as well. And once you have set it up the clock size, you can tap on the clock itself and you'll get to see this will bring up few different options. So you can actually adjust the thickness of the clock, and you can change the color if you want to, and also you can change the font style from here. And once you're done, just get back from here and tap on done, and the clock will be customized the way you want. And this is how you can do this process. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.